While you were all sleeping, ZANU-PF paid its MPs $10,000 each to entice them to vote for the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 CAB3 in a vote likely to be held today. ZANU-PF paid 10,000 each to MPs on the eve of the CAB3 vote. On the bill. The money was distributed through the office of the Chief Whip, Puborai to Karepi. ZANU-PF MPs were summoned back to Parliament yesterday evening to collect the money. ZANU-PF has been targeting 8 MPs per province from its party. As part of the incentive, President mnangagwa is also pledged to give each MP 3 tons of rice to distribute within their constituencies. The CCC MPs aligned with the Senator Chabangu were in distress yesterday afternoon, expressing their concerns through their chief whip, Charles Moyo. Meanwhile, some CCC MPs aligned with NC were the second group to be paid. ZANU-PF MPs rushed back to also secure their loot ahead of the polls, so the MPs are ready to sell their souls, their future, and the future of their children and the country for $10,000 and 3 tons of rice per constituency, which will only cover a paltry 3,000 families at 1 kg each. What nonsense is this? Our dear MPs, this is the devil you are facing. Listen very carefully. Do not go to Parliament anymore with effect from today, as they are getting ready to trap you into voting for CAB3, the consequences of which are now well aware of. Akurumanzeve ndewako do message yumlenyu papangwa ine na link m bodi za mafunguro enyimot kudi pamsoro pe these developments aruitika pamsoro pa constitutional amendments. Pinago message chemedo za funguro enyu so subscribe like point on the video icon.